那天都在啊。
哎，这个还有视频呢。
不知道哎，为啥呢？不应该吧？
快开始说了。
Hello, I'm Eva. This is our live room for agro machines. The Sichuan Shudong, 呸，不能说自己公司是吧？Our factory built in 1993. For now, we have over 30 years experience for the agro machines like rice mill machine, flour mill machines, corn thresher, and the chaff cutter, etc. So if your business related to the machines, maybe this is a good chance to know as well. This is our exhibition room. This is our showroom. We display many machines here, include the in front here show you is the rice mill machines and combined rice mill machine. Combined rice mill machine means the two functions mixed together, combined together. One for rice mill and another one for flour mill. 你们能听得到我说话吗？我说没有麦的话，你们要听一下那个我直播的时候有没有声音，那个话听不听得见 ？Okay. Welcome to our live room. We are a factory for agro machines with over 30 years experience. We produce rice mill machines, flour mill, chaff cutter, etc. The older machine is smaller for your home use. So in your factory, in your family, if you need a rice mill machine, you can leave a message here. If there is any interaction or will be better, if you need any other machines, you can leave a message in our showroom, okay? Before, in front of our site, in front of this it's the combined rice mill machine show you. The rice mill machine's capacity 150 kilograms per hour. It can use for rice, for corn, make corn cracked, just like to remove the corn husk, remove the corn skin, and then to break it into smaller pieces. So some places, some country maybe need the machine have these functions. And another function is it also can use for millet, such as in India. In Indian, customers want the machines to mill the millet. So we only need to change the smaller part of the machines, then it can work for different materials. Another function is for flour mill. Flour mill means powder making, such as the wheat. The wheat you need to make into powder and then to make pancake, right? Your daily life food, such as in India, Bangladesh, Nepal, and some African countries, they need the powder, the wheat powder or the corn powder. They need to make delicious food, right? And sometimes if you have some spices, you need to make powder, like chili powder, pepper, or turmeric, or any others. You can use these machines. Such as in Sri Lanka. In Sri Lanka, our customers use the machines for chili powder, yeah, and then to make delicious food you want. Do you want to say any other machines? If you want to say other machines, you can tell me, okay? We are factory produce the rice mill machine, flour mill machine, chaff cutter, and corn thresher, and wood chipper. So not only for the home use, also like the wood chippers for the garden use. In some Europe place, they use the wood chipper to cut the branches, the tree branches into pieces, and then to make their gardens very beautiful. So maybe you need this machine. Welcome. Thanks for your coming. We are factory in China. We have over 30 years experience for the machines produced. Hope my pronunciation is for clearly understand, okay? Welcome to our live room. Do you want to see other machines? You can see here, this is a rice mill machine we show. You can see here, this one is the stoner. The stoner is to remove the stones from the rice or some impurities like rice stores like that. Because the traditional rice mill machines, maybe maybe when the paddy rice mixed with some stones, small stones or some impurities, you can use this stoner machines to remove all impurities, and then you can get the good rice. Okay. Of course, here we have a rice mill machine. They show you like this one. Here, this part is to remove the impurities of paddy rice. We call it paddy cleaner. For your paddy rice, is there any impurities? If your paddy rice have the impurities, so you need this machine. We export the machines to many countries such as Thailand, India, Indonesia, Cambodia, and Zambia, Nigeria, like that. Which country from? Come on, leave some messages. Let's interaction, okay? It will be better. So let me know what you need and your requirement, so I can explain the machines better to you. The machines we have electric motor use. You can see here. You can see here is the electric motor, but we also have gasoline engine and diesel engine use. That's according to your requirement. Which one you like? Which one in your country? How about the electricity? Does it stable or not? Welcome to our live room. For now, I introduce some agro machines to you. We are factory in China with over 30 years experience for agro machines. Or is smaller and suitable for your home use. This is rice mill machines. We produce flour mill machines, chaff cutter, wood chipper, etc. So which one you prefer? Which one you need? Sometimes you may need the bigger capacity rice mill. We have a bigger one. The capacity is 1 ton per hour. So if you need the machines to do some business, like to have a mini shop in your place, you can use the machines to mill rice for other people, and then you can make something, earn something, right? It's a good way for your business. May I know your place only need a machine for the white rice, or also need the machines for the brown rice? We have machine with rubber rollers. It can use for the brown rice. Which one you like? You can see here. Here, or is the brown rice. You can see that. The machine is our new design. New design for the brown rice and white rice. The white rice is the brown rice means just to remove the skin, remove the husk of paddy rice, and to keep the nutrients. So maybe some place need the brown rice, but some place don't need that, right? If you don't need the brown rice, you can use the machines for white rice, no problem. And at the same time, it can also make powder. There is flour mill pot. It can use for the corn, for wheat, and of course for some spices. In your place, do you plant some chili or paddy rice or paddy or corn or wheat or any others? Hope you can leave your message. Do you want to multifunctional machines or only for the single function? You can tell me. You can see here we have a machine installed the electromotor. It's 3 HP, 3 horsepower, and 220 voltage. Just for home electricity is good for the machine operation. Of course, here is a gasoline engine. You can use the gasoline engine to operate the machines. Just according to you, which one you need, which one you prefer. Hello, we are factory. We are factory for the rice mill machines and chop cutter and flour mill machines. We have over 30 years experience for the machines, such as the rice mill machines. Here is a handsome guys come across. We have factories in China with over 30 experience for agro machines. In your home, what machines you have? Maybe a power thinner? So you also need a rice mill machines, right? To mill rice for your daily life, for your enjoy it. Hi, welcome. Do you have any agro machines? Actually, here you can see the machines. Include the rice mill machine. There is 2 hopper. You know hopper? The hopper is to put some materials into it, and then the machine can work it. The machine can work for the rice mill machines, flour mill machines. What function you need? If you only need a rice mill functions, you can choose the single machines. And if you need the 2 functions, you can choose the combined machines. The combined machines means the 1 function for rice mill and a lot of functions for flour mill. Which one you prefer? Or you prefer the 2 functions to mix together? How about the weather in your place? Now in China it's very hot. Do you want to say any any people or only you want to see the machines in the video? Really? Do you want to see our chaff cutters also? If you want to see the other chaff cutters or wood chippers, please tell me, okay? So I can show you. You can leave your message here. In your family, which machines do you need? Our factory have over 30 years experience for agro machines. So any machines you are looking for, you can type here, you can leave message. So I will know if we have or not. We produce the rice mill machines, chaff cutter, flour mill machines, and the capacity is about 100 kilogram per hour. Flour mill is about 200 kilogram per hour. So it's good for your home use. Do you prefer only need the home use machines? Or if you need the industrial use machines, you can tell me, okay? So I can recommend some machine to you and explain it to you. Hi, Rainier. How to pronounce your name? Rainier? How about your home? Do you have any these machines? Rice mill? Flour mill? Which country are you from? Our factory in China. We have over 30 years experience for the agro machines. Include the rice mill machines, flour mill machines, chaff cutter. This is our showroom. So all machines we display here. If you have any interest, you can tell me, okay? I will show you the machine details. Actually, in the for the same machines, there are many factories for the same machines, but each factory they produce the machines with different specifications. For example, the color, the outlook, the appearance, right? It's easy to find the different. And maybe the rest outlet design, and maybe the handle or any other different. And of course, so if you want to know what specification is different of our machines, you can tell me, okay? I will show you. For example, our rice mill outlet is galvanized. It's galvanized, so looks very bright, very beautiful, right? Actually, when you buy a machine to your home, when you buy a machine for home, maybe you care about the functions, but sometimes if other people go to your home and see the machines, they will surprised. Wow, so beautiful machines, right? Just maybe you have a TV or a refrigerator or any other machine or any others equipment. They were surprised about the functions and also the design. It will be better. It will prove that you buy the machines very successfully, right? When there is no people here, anyone can come. Nobody here. Hello, my friend. Welcome to our live room. We are factory in China. Agro Factory in China produce the rice mill machines, flour mill machines, chaff cutter, etc. Actually, you can see our rice mill machines some looks higher, right? So maybe you will worry about you can't put the paddy rice into a machine. Don't worry, we have an elevator. The elevator to help you put the paddy rice into the machines. When you use the elevator to put the paddy rice into machines, it will help to save much labors. It will be easy. So before maybe you need 2 people to operate these machines, but now you can do by yourself only. Do you want to stainless steel machines? We also have just a different design. We can produce machines according to your requirement. We are looking for some distributors in different countries. Which country are you from? Do you know any companies in your country? They have the business for the agri machines. If yes, you can let me know, okay? 为什么不来人? You can see here is the cyclone. Do you know what's the function of the cyclone? It's to collect the rice bran and rice husk, so it will not go here and there to dirty your places. What functions you want the rice mill machine have? You don't know any about the rice mill machine? Okay, let me talk to you, okay? The rice mill machine is for paddy rice into white rice for your food. Its capacity is about 150 kilogram per hour, so it's good for your home use. Maybe 1 month you can use this machines for the white rice, right? And when your home have some animals like chicken or cows or others, you can use the machines to make powder to feed the animals, such as the corn, the wheat, and any others, or the bees, like that. What machines you want? Dear, which machines in your home you have? Do you have any agro machines in your home? Or do you know any machines in your places? Such as the rice mill machines and the chaff cutter and flour mill machines, etc. And you know, factories in China produce the agro machines. We have our equipment for the machines, from the materials to the final products. We have waiting room, we have over 400 people in our factory to work for the machines. So every schedule, no, every steps produce the machine. We have strict QC. Strict QC to care about the quality. So we make sure the machines in your head is good quality. We are over 30 years experience for the agri machines, so you don't worry about the quality or when the machine is broken, how you can get the spare parts. Or the spare parts we have and we can produce it anytime because we are factory in China. We have all parts. We produce every part from the beginning to the end product. Hey, hello, welcome to our live room. We produce agri machines, flour mill machines, chaff cutter, etc. If you have any order requirement agri machines, you can tell me, so I can show you. Okay. I will, of course, if you don't have, I will tell you where you can get it. What machine do you need? Or what machine you are interested? Flour tanner, or chaff cutter, or rice mill machines, or flour mill machines, right? How are you doing? By the way, in your place. Why don't like to leave some messages? You don't want to know anything about agri machine? Haha. If you need any machines, just tell me, okay? I will show you. I will show you. Hi, welcome to our live room. Agenda. Which country you from? We are a factory in China with over 30 years experience for agri machines produce. We have rice mill machine, chaff cutter, maize thresher, flour mill, wood chipper, etc. All machines we exported to over 50 countries, including Nigeria, Zambia, India, Thailand, Cambodia, Indonesia, etc. Which country are you from? Maybe in your country you already have our machines. Do you think so? Haha. In your home, do you have any machines? I think in my home we have rice mill machines about 10 years ago. How about you? In your home, do you need any machines? Are you in the rural place? Oh my god, in your place, do you feed some animals? If you have animals, we have chaff cutter suitable for you. Because the chaff cutter can cut the grasses into piece by piece. Just a smaller size for animal to eat it well. Like the chicken, the cows, the sheep. Yeah. What animals in your family, in your home you have? You can tell me, okay, so I will know the machine suitable for you or not. I also want to know all over the world. I hope to know what any other countries that our machines can find the good dinners. We want to find our cooperators in your place. This is our rice mill machines. It have two functions. Of course, actually it's not it's not accurate to say it's our rice mill machines. The machine is for rice mill and flour mill. It's two functions. In China, many factories produce the machines, but each factory have their own specifications. Do you know that? Do you know what the difference between the different factory? I can tell you. I can tell you. Okay. In your factory, in your home, do you come to China before? Well, factory in China produce the agro machines. If you one day you come to China, welcome to our factory to see our production of the machines include rice mill machines, tough cutter, flour mill machines, wood chipper, etc. Our machine is smaller for your home use. If you need a bigger machine for industrial use or for the big, but I can find the machines for you. Dear, do you want to see our workshop? If you want to see our workshop, I can show you, okay? Just a new message here. Our workshop is for the different process of producer machines. We have over 20 type machines, agro machines, including the different design rice mill machine. Because why we have different machines? Because the customers have different requirements. Maybe someone needed a different appearance, and someone needed a different capacity, and also someone need different colors. That's why we have